Hear me now. How can a whole nation with ministers lost 15 billion? Zimbabwe is funny, the diamonds were given to Chinese in exchange for cheese. What about your Zimbabwe? Yeah. Corruption, 3 airplanes went missing. Mugabe and his in-laws some were dishing. Let's talk about weak, no solar and hospital plus goats. The minister and president lie under oath. They injected Morgan and silenced the revolution. I cry corruption. They paid Nelson and stole the election. The nation left in confusion. Mr. Wamblo, I say it's corruption. Big up to you, one boy. One boy. This nation is rotten. We need a revolution. And youth on a mission. Say no to corruption. I'm about to cry now. Prophets and pastors lie for cash cars from Wicknell. We have fake socialite and ass-licking musicians, you just praiser. Preacher, try more. Walter Magaya and you pastor Yan. Poverty makes us brainless, calling looters boss and praising corrupt military. Why do journalists fear? Big up Hopewell and bless it. Salute out and Soul TV. What happened to General Solomon? Air Marshal Terence Sherry, Minister SB Moyo. Where is Walter Muzembe? Don't forget more Blessing Ali. This government mama is corrupt and bloodthirsty. No to clueless government. Sex for Mr. Appointments. No to gold mafia. Even you, Prophet Angel, you a criminal. We have a mafia government in Zimbabwe. We have no rights in Zimbabwe because the police and them soldiers were corruption. Corruption. See, we have no ministers in Zimbabwe because they appoint their sons and girlfriends. Mama, corruption. The police is brutal, the military is volatile. See, corruption. Every corruption in Zimbabwe.
Yeah. Right. So, thank you very much for those Vangati now earlier on. I want to appreciate you guys for the support and please continue supporting us. It should be very much appreciated. Right. Yeah. Bakaipa. Right. So, Hansi. Right. So, yeah. So we are here, ladies and gentlemen. There isn't much, that I can say about, the introduction. Kune awo, okay, we were talking about, nyaya yema rural communities. Ari kuaffectwa nema-mining activities, ari kuitwa nema-companies, majorly my Chinese companies, and how these activities are inozati pane word rondinetsa iroro kutaura so this anyway ringanisiyane naro kana paine word rondinetsa rechirungu kupronounce ka iroro rekuti whatever. But anyway, so I mean, it was a good conversation. I want to thank Mkoma Farai, for what he did, coming through and talk to us about the things that is witnessing in Zimbabwe, witnessing on the ground, in as far as the challenges that our rural communities are facing. As I said, earlier on, Zimbabwe is made up of 67% of that population. The rest is in the urban areas, which is about 33%. But the majority of our people they are in the rural areas or in peri-urban areas. And these are the people that are being affected by these mining activities that are currently going on. The thing is, when when you remove people from their land and you don't compensate them, we we do understand that somebody might be sitting on a where there is some minerals, and they want to get to those minerals, and there might be a need for one to relocate, but at least make sure that that relocation people are not going to be losing out as a result of being relocated to some place where they might not have a connection, because the moment that you remove somebody from a place where they've got a connection and you're putting them to a place where they've got no connection, they'll just lose their mind. So it's just a pity that we get those things which are happening. And what then what then makes everything is something to really worry about, is that you'd expect that the establishment can come to the aid of the people, the establishment can come and protect the people, but people are not being protected. They're being left to the mercy of the Chinese, who are abusing them left, right, and center. And when you get to hear some of the stories, some of the gory stories that are coming out, you get somebody, um, mm, like that child who was disappeared and was found in a disused mine, and these are the stories. And when you hear such stories, normally, most stories are bad. Afana kukurwadza. Mastora anorwadza ndingakadaro. Right. Saka kana paine vadokomenta umana achingoisa ine marequest, inini handisina zvakawanda nezvokutaura. Ndatova bore. I'm here with the bonus yangu yacho. Saka kana pane munhu ari kuda kukomenta, is just a post mortem yekungoti tingoitawo discuss one or two things, tinzwa kuti izvo zvakamira sei. But inini zvimwe zvinhu zvinongodzimbawo, so zvinongorwadza, so haina boni.
Hamusati mabho. Dai mava muri bhoka mungadai muchiziva kuti mogona kuita kana ndimiliyonea kana bhiliyonea. Imbotarisai those guys who actually sold those claims vakatengesera to the Australians, and the Australians ended up selling to the Chinese. Aren't they the same claims?
Aren't
they the same claims? Because chinonetsa chinhu wanje hatisi kunyatsisa cognizant of is, number one, isusu maybe taane worker dependency syndrome. Hatisi kuona kuti nyika yedu iri kuenda, ende kwachona kwairi kuenda tichasara takabata mhepo chete, because tinenge toda kupindikwa second time imwe ningiri recolonization. Muchazviona pamberi papapa, because vanhu vakafanana naTrump havangongoti move yekuti kwai hatipei varungu mari. Iko zvinonyatsoteerera, hapana kana murungu one kana ari mutaura nyaya yeZimbabwe kana even advocating to know the zviri kuitwa muZimbabwe. It's like izvizvo zvinzi ipai vanhu ava mari ava, then vakatika vapa Michael Landikanzi havasi kupiwa chechinoiti tripartite. Tripartite. Saka zvinhu zvatofanira kutaura titange kutoita manhingirire ma-outreach akatosimba, because nyaya dzakafanana necommunity dzemaini dzine vana vari kuenda kuzvikoro, moziva kuti zvima-environmental monitoring kits iko zvino hatichatomboziva, iko zvo hatichatomboziva kuti lifespan yedu iyo zvino manje yareba zvakadii manje, kana even vana vaka these are supposed to be the future generations. Ende zvakafanana naSilicosis hazvirapiki zviya zvezvi, hazviso zvino ikangokurova yatokurova watoenda. And ukada kutarisa the rate at which kana if they are proposing, here is what I'm going to say, if they are proposing, and it's not actually a proposition, because actually vakatosaina dhiri rachona kudhara, the Chinese are coming to build a railway station, a railway line. Now if you look in South Africa, kwavanobvisa kana marasha kubva kuMpumalanga vachiendesa kuRichards Bay, one train inenge ine 3 heads of locomotives and 4 heads of locomotives, electrical. munhu inenge ichidhonza close to about 200 wagons, not standard wagons. I'm talking aripo mamwe anenge ane mabellies. I should have never read how many tons that thing carries, but I'll read for you one day how many tons that thing carries. So now, if they can run, let's say 2 railway lines going to Mozambique, and the Beira is an easy load port. I'm telling you, hakuna nyika iri kusara uko. Kana na Great Zimbabwe, kana tourism. I mean, once kana muchisema China ita zvari kuda izvi. We need to start engaging my brothers, the mining sectors in the international community. We have to start talking to each other. These guys are going to come in and establish my industries. We can't keep on continuing going on like this. And even our communities, if they're not benefiting anything. Smith was better, Smith, because some of us lived in those eras. We know what they actually meant. There was corporate social responsibility. There was this thing you couldn't washanda panapa pa mwana wako anogona kuyazotsvaga printers ipapa. But it's really let's be honest. I mean, we can't keep on surviving like this, Zimbabweans. That is where the funny part of everything is. Vamwe vedu ndo vari kukodzera this situation. And isusu nemaconstituencies matira hapana zvatirikugona kuita. Totadzere ngonodemonstrata kuChinese embassy. Do you know I was at one American space zone, and they were saying, no, the Chinese are doing great. Listen, the Chinese are doing nothing. No. Atitomborina kana international awareness. These guys I'm talking about, my black Americans, who are saying, no, Africa is now uhuru. Africa is going to be free because of whatever they are facing. Can't you see that it is so deserve in international spotlight, but in Mindima ambassadors actually in those communities? Because it's just Africa when we triple switch it. Because ZANU-PF used to garner its votes from rural areas, like what you said, Bebangujet. I mean, look at it's your country. Don't even want to own even your own land, your own shares, your own something, but more that my China is storage. You don't even want to see your mothers, your brothers actually living nice, because Zimbabwe's got a potential to be a millionaire. We're only 16 million. But these guys are going for everything, mountains, historical sites. They don't even care, and they've been invited by our own fathers, brothers, and whatever. Constitution. And here we are. You are hearing an advocate actually saying to gentlemen, this thing doesn't require whatever solution. We have to start organizing. Why do such a simple thing? It's a steering committee. That's all that is required. And then to kune vanhu vehealth toda kuziva mastatistics achabva kuzimbabwe zvemamonitoring environment. There's a small kids amogona kubetsera kana vanhu vari kunhingirikireko, because totoshamisika kuti why machina achizoseta mine yet they fail to put even any environmental nhingirikire kana even kumonitor dust ravo. Ameno Mr. K kana tatenda neno ndakwana ngudedza stichiri.
Azvinokana zvike makwana mana. Sometimes we got to go. Right, all right, tatenda.
Ango Jedi. Zvinonetsa ka vanhu vekunyika kwedu ka takazvijaidza plan A, plan B, plan C, tichisekerera zvinhu zvisina basa. Noza zvataurwa naChasi, ndiChasi also kutaura kuti our problem iri deep rooted matiri. And it is true. Hakuna munhu anobvumira kuti muenzi aite zvaanoda mumba make iye asati amupa permission. Vaenzi vanopiwa permission they will be given liberties and protection near the host kuti haiwa feel free mumba ndimomo mupindai mudye zvamunoda havakambonzwa muchisvika mavhiziti angojedi vowanza angojedi abauya pano ndepenyu pindai mudye angojedi nobva maona kona ine mabhodhoro emawiski enyamofarira ndopamusari laka ndozvikuita machina they have been welcomed by greedy selfish people vane vana vavo vasingagare muzimbabwe vasiri kuafektwa nedust iri mauseless chiefs zviri kupiwa mota nemabhasikoro ana charumbira one of the center of maproblems ese charumbira ongoenda kuna mambo mutasa vanomboita pfungwa dzichimbotaura but wakazoti vakutarisa kumashure uko pasi yapena longa ichiondomoka achief mutasa all these once respected my chiefs they became greedy to an extent whereby they no longer stand for the people. They don't understand their responsibility anymore. Zvakaungogona ungotonga matare ngozi but vachisiya what is important, which is the land. Land ndo inopa kuti unzi uri chief, unzi uri mambo, une dunhu, bhuku. What are you controlling kana kuri kuuya vamwe vanhu vakukuudza kuti iwewo arasa vanhu vako, muvha vanhu vako vaise utoku. Zvandakudzai kuti I'm not a prophet, but I can tell you kana vakambopinda muhwange national park, I will give you 3, 4, 5 years. Vari kupinda pasi peGreat Zimbabwe because Great Zimbabwe is built on top of my resources. Makaita research yenyu, Great Zimbabwe is on top of my mineral deposits. Semunanankairwidza.
Apa munhu adata king ufunge tatenda.
Ndo pachona kaparoda kuenda pekuti akaita king hakusina achamubvunza. Ayakuudzai munonounganidzwa vanhu Zimbabwe vanhu vachaiswa mumakeep nemareserve indirectly. Ma-displacements indirectly being placed mumakeep mumagrowth point muti masmall yards land yenyu yese amanga nayo for 300 years, generations and generations. Ine value ayeziripo.
Ngoma tatenda. Ndodambo kuvunza. Imi mune experience inini yekuningira yekuchagala yakaimimi yekuita ma demonstration. Ko zvinotadzika ere kungounza awareness kana ku Chinese embassy kana miningera kana ka demonstration kana kuningirira about all this monosia because this minerals ndio akavaka Zimbabwe and tikusiya zvinhu zvinofanirwa kuti vakira back nyika yedu ichienda.
I think
ukaenda paJMP ipapo pakatonyogwa ukaenda pachimuseum chepaJMP kuti Global Phonics, the mine that built London. Zvakanyogwa. Unotoona zvimaningi zvasisi John Rhodes ari boba pataka mine boka.
I think what we are
I
think what we are going to do is we have done mobilization are useful kuno UK ka. The next one that I have to liaise in a team ratino rema human rights kuno and vanhu veZAPU and all activists is to go and demonstrate to Chinese embassy kuno. Both joined the Chinese embassy neZimbabwe vari kudzoka kuZimbabwe because one thing like what you were saying kuti varungu they've realized kuti 20 years to 25 years dzekurwisana Mugabe, they've lost mileage and they are going to also come aggressively. So munoona Zimbabwe ichaita sezvakaita South Africa zvekuti South Africa is a divided economy in the Western world and the East, which makes the economy nogara iri afloat kuti haivhiringike, but the people will remain poor because the general people in South Africa they are poor, but at least avane mabasa vane zvinhu zviri viable zvavanopinpointa kuti as much as we may be poor vandopiwa kuti ma 350 wavo nyakari nothing but akatenga huku sugar
lechi atombonganawo something from the government, but our people vari kupiwa zvirwere makensa mamwe anga asati akambowatika muzimbabwe ka painotaurwa nenye-asbestos kuti inokonzeresa malung diseases. People are going to suffer. And after the generation yavanhu vaitwa wiped out, vana kuchazarwa vana ana polio nezvimwe zvirwere zvisati zvambovepo nemadisabilities. The foreign nationals who take over the country, they then reproduce and multiply. And the next thing, take time outsiders in our own country. This is what we do. Everybody, wakada kudzota emasoni nevanhu vake vanozoti a voice that can be a voice of reasoning and empower your people. They keep you outside the country, but while we're outside the country, like what we have been saying for a long time, isusu vanhu vari kunze ndisu tiri chatoita kuti zimbabwe kavanhu vari vaunderstand mawhatsapp groups avari isusu sezvo vachinzi magroup administrators emawhatsapp vanoita what let's take that lead role rekutora marozi wavo tichiposta information tichiseculator to the last person.
Moza chimwe ndapika up. Amkoma pardon, mogona bata mic because hatina kuwanda panapa. Mr. K varipo. Munoza chimwe chandapika up kakubva kune vanhu. It seems like imimi vanhu vari mudiaspora kana isusu vanhu vari mudiaspora ndisu tiri kudhonza makumbo. Vanhu vari kumusha vari kutaura kubva kudhara because we have been listening from stories from home. We are hearing it. And isusu tine kabrain kamwe kedu kamwe kari kutudza mamwe options kuti no these options. And the problem yedu tunyanyofarira kunyanyo dissect a constitution still. I don't know why we like dissecting the constitution. While the reality on the ground actually is not actually dissecting the constitution. It's actually an evil reality that is happening on the ground.
Iri kuda ma-practical answers, ma-practical solutions, because the law is a law.
Look here. We are not moving in terms of conscientization, but that's why.
Yeah.
We have asked you to know, let's have these things being done in a very fast way and an efficient way.
Because my laws are manipulated.
2 years, 3 years to go. But the problems on the ground are not 2 years, 3 years to go. They are happening now.
Correct. We want to grow more on the law. Currently, the court system, Lennon was we were the same unit. We know each other in the streets. We even at one point we were staying in one residence. So his mindset and my mindset, three principles were drawn from the same home. Saga, practical. As much as you might want to fight my legal battles in my court, but it is the current court system, you're looking to know by instruction, my judges, my magistrates, my teaching. It needs us to go in a different overdrive. Enough is enough. But to keep my video, I recommend myself. I don't just what it's a post and one is what in the post. After the boldness, you to my videos, wow, you to record the scene. You need to upload them for that to say thank you guys. It's now up for us. What should we do? If that information that people feel, what is I sleep on it? Because kurara kupa msoro information ka kiritu siya ika ikienda. And between now and 2028 pakakura. I once posted a video demonstrating China. I tell you Kubaki chief, minerals. I'm going to show it as a comment. I'm going to get one Pamanga Flagu. Very one video. Every time I look at make Zimbabwe Chinese. How they are looting my minerals on the cargoes a day. Partidas of Ramaziso, you can send vanhu vachingoudzwa nevanhu vezanu-pf Mbaragashi kuti no, it's vanhu vari bitter veopposition. We are not bitter. We are fighting for our country. We are not bitter.
Do you know I've had an opportunity of actually working in the mining industry, Musia. in coal and other minerals. And what these guys are telling you and what I'm telling you, it doesn't take 20 years for a mine to close down, or 10 years for a mine to close down if they bring the proper equipment that they want. If they're going to employ you, they'll tell you, okay, no, I know we'll be here for maybe about 20 years. I remember a case in point of BHP. When I joined BHP, they were extracting coal. Remember, BHP was one of the biggest resource companies, in the world. When they were extracting coal in South Africa at that particular point in time, and they were taking it to Australia straight. They were not taking it to other markets, straight to Australia. I'm telling you, they said we're going to be there for 20 years, but they were there for less than 15 years. They had taken whatever they wanted as a reserve. They don't take to go and use. No, this is where you guys are missing the point. They go and take and put as reserves for the future. That is what they do. This lithium, if we are going to take it, we have to take it now. In case if a government is going to change, there will be nothing left here. Everything is gone. And currently, they are just using a few trucks. But let them employ trains. 150 wagons. They say 300 going one way, 300 coming backwards. These are the Chinese. They break any rule that they want, and they get away. But knowing that our environment is being degraded, and all these other bodies like the United Nations being there, and all this environment, and climate 2030, what is there? Isn't this something? Don't we have environmentalists, people, maybe an uncontent you have been in this game, who know about all these things where you can actually launch these things, say, no, listen, we are now a basket case, we need this to be stopped, otherwise our national heritage sites can actually be taken over. Or we just keep quiet and then tomorrow we
ana UNESCO vanopreventa vanoita speak for national vanotaurira for heritage sites. I don't know if they have that influence yekuudza nyika kuti heritage sites enyu, because ndo the international body inomirira zvinhu izvozvo, UNESCO. Saka handizozive kuti how far is they reaching in terms of telling Zimbabwe kuti no, degradation iri kuitika iyi ine impact akaita sei heritage sites enyaya, because zveshuwa sekutaura kwavaita Fabish kuti pavakangoziva kuti paVictoria Falls pane something, they won't stop.
There already is at Victoria Falls. There's uranium at Victoria Falls. It's known.
So
at one particular point in time, I can't remember who wanted that. Sorry, Mr. K.
Fabish, anyway, I can relate with both of you. Fabish, anotaura zvikadzi takatokura nguva yaSmith whatever. Zimbabwe is area independent. Pakaipa. Saka uchidzi Fabish.
I can relate because I was young.
One of the best things that happened to Zimbabwe. Zvokaona German and the Fabish. National team, even Zimbabwe national team, what is with it? But anyway, boys, Tora Jogwad, in and so feel out with Takanachi, Chief and Mawarid. Those are Tongo Zimbabwe, boys. At some point, there was a show that Zimbabweans can actually rise up and come together for a cause. And the last time I saw it, in George Panyadza Naivani to it. Nengo whatever, restore legacy. Yatakaiti on Papa. But what I can say is, like what we're being told. I mean, it's just following up uncles. I came up and I just said, because everything is kind of on social media, post. It's painful to watch. But what are we going to do? So I'm told, like the discussion about with like back and forth, the mom cheated. Tatenda na Fabi. It was more like, oh, we should just tirungo simbisa nyaya yekuti ndozviri kuitika ndozviri kuitika ndozviri kuitika ndozviri kuitika. Inini nekubasa kwangu everything. I'm always one wekuti okay saka manje tinoita sei. Iwo mvunzo ndondochallengwa manje nezano manje, like the guys that be in power, they actually look at you like, oh, what are you gonna do? Because their pockets are filling up. Do you think they care? I mean, it's a cultural thing. I mean, it's a cultural diversion, like everyone. Chiubudu akusina kuZimbabwe, like even okay, just my diasporians, most people here anyway. I'm sure Panawashumozo Avariko, but each time Panoenda Kumba, I've been there as early as a few months ago. Everyone is now corrupt. Everything is just corrupted. Like the whole, like, is this the Zimbabwe humanity? Had to twist. As long as as an individual, I have to get something. I forget about everyone else. Bigger picture. But the bigger picture, I'm told. I mean, that's about I mean, you know, I don't think I'm not Tarenda Raju, not good Tarenda, doesn't
Takamirira tragedy, and the first tragedy has happened. The 3 kids actually were killed and found in the boot. Nobody is actually answerable to that. The police were there in the streets, they were preventing people actually to go. So what other, do we want a mass tragedy or something? Maybe that's what we are waiting for. Procrastinating,
ndo pacho pandiri kutaura yandiri kuona manje pandiri kutaura kuti Mazimba, what are we going to do? I mean, when anything panapa pa Twitter on the ground, like especially what's going to be the trigger, that Sarajevo moment, whatever. Gen Z, Morocco, Gen Z everywhere. Gen Z, because generation Edu Suzuka, to be fair, in the auto feel out of man, what are we gonna do? Isusuka is Taratangwana escape route. And I don't know, like doctrines and PF say, I mean, within them, we can see they're crumbling. Even within them, like it's certain kind of ideologies they will, dissipate. Hitler akatombobudi rongo yani akatogeza chamanguza akatoterrorize Europe yese kusvika not just Europe kwaise nekuna neAmerica. So at the end of the day, at some point, but isusu semazimba, what I feel sad about is like I listen to all these spaces. I kind of, most things are kind of deja vu. Like, okay, it's always been there. I know this information, but what is it that I could chichi chanatsotamwisa mazimba kuti vanatsobatana kuti okay, let's do something about it, because it is, I mean, politically, like the systems have been captured. Everyone knows that it's not a secret. The whole we can discuss this with but what was to judge you at Pamtongosipo. But Abamtongosipo, who does government
Mr. Gay, so kune constituency yakafana neLondon. Makawanda kuLondon. We are talking of school kids vari kurwa nedust. Tiri kutaura, look here, kana town yafa neningirire ichinzi yazara dust, ikwane silicosis.
Shurugi.
Sorry, liver
Shurugi the bigit. Mr. Keina Fabi and the Uncle Jed. Ndakuzai zvachitengi chiri kuita kuti vanhu vezimbabwe vasaite engard to act. It's us, the diaspora, that is still giving them my allowance atopa my black tax aya vasati vane enga more diaspora takangoita 1 month engoti hakuna ari kupirira that black tax, but ndozofunga kuti ndo panobva mari yambuya vangu yemapirisi kunzi avechidiki ava takambovapanisa nekuti no black tax vanomuka voona kuti so if there is no this topiri kuti survivisa, we have to confront the elephant and the devil that we are facing.
Tadzenda,
nyaya iripo
that's a good point. And I mean, I've followed that. It's been suggested loads of times. Personally, on your, I mean, I know you can preach that word. No one would do it. I'm guilty of footage zvokuti tikada kuenda on that trajectory kuti okay, munhu wese adiaspora ngatibatane timboda kuti vanhu vacho vasimuka. Pazonguva nendozonzi momzi wangu waruchema uritaura kuti kana kuti kamwe kamuzukuru wataura kuti kuri kudiwa mari dzefizi ameno vautotumira kamari. Ndingotaura kuti yes, on a,
Mr. K, you know,
as a point,
Mr. K,
at the theoretical, I'm not disputing it. Theoretically, it's, but as it works for Isuzu Mazimba, cross a border, ne point Papa Zimba Papa. Korena pa South Africa Papa Pakato something, because one Vagato Zaro got some of that. Mazimba, it's going to come with a docile attitude Katinabo, test, including Anani. Inini dzongo wakati ndititende kuona kuti calculate ma risk assessment yangu kuti no go. Then I know let's be fair, my face one. Let's be fair.
But
It's one thing to preach something. Ndingotaura kuti inini I would want. It doesn't mean I don't support it. No support. No support. Ndiri kuma terraces. No tesa ndiri kuma terraces.
Mr. K.
Pandakaona kuti Mazimba 90% edu tiri kuma terraces.
Ngoma K mbomira idira mvura mana kuti atibomira
zvekudira mvura. Ndikuda kuti tiwane chaiyo practical solution. Attitude yedu nekaunhu kedu katinako toita sei? Ndimune maideas chikudai nawo musarambe muchisikirana nasi mushana.
Mr. K na Fabish. Mr. K na Fabish na Uncle Jaden Zimbabweans who are listening. Why can't we remember where we are coming from? Zvakatrigawo vanhu vakaita uprising ye-first Chimurenga ne-second Chimurenga. Why are we not angry like them? Why I want to align also to what you are saying, Mr. K, kuti tinika mukadosayones. What is that? Because in ndambotaura nyaya kuti tinogara tingori neplan B, plan C yekutiza to confront the elephant in the room. Why are we that?
I have a partial answer for that. In what I've kind of come to realize, it's conditioning throughout the years that we've been done. Even they'd spent so many years under that repression, and they were putting up with it anyway. Because it's about like the conditioning letting the system take control of every narrative and everything else. So now people are used to maneuvering the systems. Zimbabwe, the system is upside down. Let's be fair. It was and a week. The funny part, one thing I observed, Zimbabwe. Do you know one of the most thriving industries? Education system. Kune zvima college zvakawandisa zvinopa madegree kana kuti chikoro even ma O level kana kuti chi from primary level kana kuti chi ma private school ma teacher education system. But after education, the most educated don't actually benefit nothing. There's no reward waiting for them for all their efforts, all their spent time, all their knowledge, their intelligence and everything. But Panekbora Ngoma reconnected to someone who knows someone and knows someone. Or you need to know the system is now upside down. But how do we correct it?
Mr. K.
Who's conditioned?
What those men said. Those men actually said it seems like an even to share for a telephone number. It's impossible for them to do that. They are telling you it's also under sanction. We are under control. Ruona. And usually you must listen to voices when they are speaking, when they are coming to you, when they're coming out in the open and coming to cry to you as brothers.
ndo basa
Now,
rangu.
that at least in memory free, you have got rooms to maneuver and you've got all the institutions which can listen to you. Can't you help us actually use those institutions and put yourselves in use within the quarters where you are? Even apartheid chaichaika and even ZANU-PF, they ended up going international. Apartheid chaichaika quite one demonstration in London. I remember, no one can remember. Quite one demonstration. I was young. Quite one demonstration in London.
All right, Fabish. Yes, my
But
point. We are actually agreeing at a certain point, and then pane katangent kangu kari apa pekuti isusu. We can offer all the support we can. Do you know? Okay, we can go back. I'm going off a bit in tangent.
Take the issue. I'll take the issue of blessed Mhlanga. I'll take the issue of blessed Mhlanga.
Exactly. Fabish, inzwa zvandikureva, and I'm not going against you. Tikutowirirana. But sikuwira ndepa-landing, pa-conclusion apa pekuti inzwa ka. Tarisa, okay, ndokubvunza mbunzo election yakabiwa chaiyo. Yekuti, like you said, everyone can make noise outside. I'm sure SADC kana mari vakapa maripoti ezeke vaya, they were prepared to back Mazimba. Pamazimba acho on the ground, not kuti havasi kuda vandotaura kuti iwe chamarika unopa next door memakatomira enda techikusapota but ine handisi kubuda inzwa ndinongotaura kuti
ndakurambira aiwa
mira
uri kutaura some other quarters of voices. I'm talking of the voices which were here.
Aiwa, here ndiri kutaura inini what
these are voices of people. These are voices of people.
And I agreed
from
with them. I think you're missing.
What are these other Zimbabweans who are going to say, who are procrastinating and promoting Bondo? What is the story now?
Fabish, inzwa hasha dzako idzodzo dzaonadzo. Ndiri kuda kuti udzidirecte kune solution. I'm solution orientated. Because we can be on this basis.
Constituency yamuri kana kuLondon chaiko kuti right handi pa Chinese embassy nesiorganize toenda kana ku Chinese embassy kuti handi tinodemonstrate umana timboudza vanhu kuti ngavaende. The Angolans made them to go from their country. But isusu the power we have got is to bring awareness to the international community.
Yes.
Because mangwana ndiwe futi unenge wakutumidzira futi mari yemapiritsi kuti kusina mahospital kusina chii because of chronic illness.
And that I agree. Kana wanzwa papachitwa submission, someone came up ataura zvinhu zvandanatsoverera nazvo kuti it has to be it's a multi-pronged thing. Everything has to happen kind of simultaneously at the same time. And kunzwa zvantaura kuti one imi kuenda kuembassy but kuZimbabwe kwacho kana kusina munhu ari kuita anything, usually everything is futile. Ndozvandikureva kuti paground chaipo panofanira kutoonekwa kuti something is happening and then everyone wakes up. Whereas awareness isusu we can make all the noise techitowirirana we can pick you up, but ndingotaura kuti what is it that will make people, of course whatever pane suggestion that's been going on for years now, maybe for the last 10 years. Ngatimbonyima vanhu vakumba kuti vaite hasha too much, kuti timbovanyima mari tikasivatumire anything kuti endai munogadziswa muri kuramba muchisiya zvinhu zvichiitika. Handei kuroad, let's say some kind of forum comes up, umwe munhu ari kuti handei tinogana geza or whatever it is, anyone can come up. So anatuti what I'm saying there, it's not a lost cause because Zimbabweans are capable of doing it. Takazviita jela anonzi anuya Ivan Mawarire shamari angobuda chema angoisa speech. Everyone backed him. The whole nation was right there with him, including diaspora. Kana iye atokwa America what I'm saying is it works, but for the tectonic shift to happen, the nucleus has to be vanhu vari paground kuZimbabwe, Zimbabwe kwajamu kaka. So it has to be well coordinated because you kind of let's say Chinese embassy kind of protest whether pa London apo tikuda kuti vekuaustralia vekuamerica vekupi vanoita zvese same thing coordinated, but sometimes it doesn't have to be well organized. Munhu wese akati hasha nditaura kuti ende dzikatotangira paground zvatofanira kuti paya pakabviswa mugabe paya munhu wese akacelebrate wamana.
Saka iwo Mr. Kia unatomboita hasha nediscussion anga itaurwe
Feso wangu ingapa ndatotanga kupinda pana pamike ndakutaurira kuti ndinoda kutoita chivhani mawarire but handikwanise maybe handina that chemistry but ndati it's something inga ndatotaura nguva ndikati panoda sereve moment because ndoashedzana ndinadzo not kuti ichi he spoke something new because I've already seen most of the videos, you know, I've been following like kuti hasha dzagara dzitongoripo kudhara dziringoda kuti let's all channel it in the right direction chatipa solution. I'm solution oriented because tokona kuramba chingo because pana vanocomplaina vanotaura like they raise issues zvakanaka zvinoita kuti is articulating well ndo zvekuitika damn it, but at the end of the day what are you gonna do with that information? No one's doing anything. It's just commenting out. We have to at least find. I mean, I'm being a devil's advocate. I'm not saying that I'm on the side. I'm just saying we have to find some way to channel all that anger. It goes to the more awareness in the ichiuya nechichi. Okay, so let's say seven is one.
Saka you can channel that anger to the Chinese.
I can, but not by myself. It's not going to be effective.
We need mama's actions all over. Because Zimbabwe globally in my constituencies akawanda ekuti vari Canada they can be over 200 people kana vada vakanomacha ku Canadian embassy yeChina vari kuAmerica
one day
well organize zviri kuda Uncle Jedi and others and us all toita a collective effort yekuita put on kuti program of action tiri kuita when tiri kuzama issues
one it's better zviri namakabata placard racho no better one day chete
idea I'm 100% with you. Execution ndio ndiri kutaura kuti
Mr. K,
you're talking about organizing people.
Mr. K,
everything has to be organized.
Mr. K, can I say this? Isusu takaorganiza vanhu vakakwanisa kustopa auxilium nagaga kuyakuito yakapesera kuenda kuDubai. We did that. Here iko paifanira kuti ari Royal Leonardo Hotel between 17 and 18 June. Atoiswa paprotest one of the major speakers there. Achifanira kunge achiuya kuzosangana nemalords mamwe kunoku. We made moves takatanga kuita mobilize vanhu around April for something came na June. And vakafunga kuti tikutamba to by others at the embassy even reach out to us to say let's dialogue and allow you to come, then you raise your issues. Takati no, she cannot come here first before she address my issues. Charity yake ku Zimbabwe haida kutaura nezvimwe zvinhu zvaida kutaura yangeri the summit yema first ladies. We didn't give a platform and she didn't come. She ended up going to Dubai. So it's doable. We were 10 people who were tasked to be the organizers. Then the rest are our constituencies, Zema organizations and institutions at Inova. And we did our meetings, our Zoom meetings, and that is well organized. The Pasina and Wagazuita 10 break last minute, and we executed. And we were the people who were in the venue and people who were sitting outside. kuita make sure kuti
Fantastic.
haamu.
Fantastic. It didn't, do you know what? I'm not even trying to put cold water. I'm trying to finesse the neck because now you already have experience on this lower level. Now we're dealing with a bigger fish.
Come on. The Chinese embassy, what bigger fish when they are busy killing your people?
First one,
Come on,
who's aiding them?
And they are in a diaspora. And they are in a diaspora. What do you mean the Chinese are
We
bigger
are,
fish?
we are,
Fabrice.
we are, we are, we are,
Alright.
we are allowed to give a Chinese embassy a petition. We are allowed to petition them.
Vakomanaga handisi kuramba ndiri kuti ka that's actually that's not your foot forward, that's your back foot. Ukufamba inzwa imbondite ndakunzwa zvotaura pamwe ukanyarara ukateerera aiwa ukateerera
because kana whisky yauma kana ingave kana ndariyo waruva kai haisinyatsodzwika
zvakaimvesi wangu kana wakadaro mvesi wangu
aiwa chiitai order guys, chiitai
ndomataurira angu saka voice rangu
guys you know kuti inini handidi tinoda kuti izotiite zvinhu zvine order ngatiite zvine order
ndozvandiri kuedza kuita kankosi
aiwa mongopanana mukana inini ningi ndiripo but there's something that I'm currently doing. I don't want it kuti indi zvindivhiringidze saka please I know kuti you are so passionate about what what you are saying, but ngatingoitawo ngoti tingoitawo zvine order.
Thank you. Ndingotaura kuti ngatipana nemukana wekutaura before nditori kusaidi kwake mfesu but obva adudza murakashi because he doesn't like to listen. I don't know. Ndiri kutaura kuti things have to be coordinated. I'm up for whatever he's saying. Of course, he's a radicalist, but I'm talking about something practical. Good, all right, we are facing a bigger fish, and we can go to the Chinese embassy and this. The Chinese are not going to stop coming as long as Zimbabwean government is going to let them come. Let's direct it. Zvatarona fortune chasi. Can we blame the Chinese? Let's power exploit someone for our own benefit, for our own people. Everyone's selfish for their own people. The Chinese will. All right, Fabrice, I will land. 1 minute, 60 seconds. If you are that patient, then I'll let you speak for the rest of. As much as the Chinese have fought, I personally think Zimbabwean embassy, Zimbabwean people, Zimbabwean government are the ones, because who's letting the Chinese come in? Who's letting them go scot-free? Who's letting them mine? Who's giving them the concessions? Who's doing? That's the source. The Chinese, you can take out one company, the next one is back, as long as someone is letting them or empowering them or giving them, the power to do whatever they want. They'll keep on doing it. It's Chinese. In terms of our own situation, isusu takutopuwa kunzi tsangurai machinese ndo ari kudiningikira aiwa but avapa machinese togona matsamwira but hatikwanisi kuvadzinga citizens vanofanira kudzingwa nepen and paper vari kuvaendosa vanhu vane endorsement vaneti okay. Anyway, if you get my point, you get it. If you don't, you don't. But I still support whatever. I mean, so the movement is fought on different fronts. Whether I want to win the embassy, but my main would have went up a nucleus. They would my Chinese actual chi. Do you know cut and black cook? Umbilical coat that would have one go jet. To number up. igovernment yedu iri kutiregerera. Let's face them. Otherwise, tikafesa ma-Chinese hatimbobva takawina as citizens as long as they're enabled by the powers that be.
Right. Okay, Saka.
taura yangu chedza indaida kudza mukomana kuti nzonzo shamani. The Chinese have got a role. They are taking the minerals. They are leaving corpses in Zimbabwe there. Havasi kusiya mari, havasi kusiya chinhu. They're just leaving corpses
Who's
there.
letting them
Then
do
it
that?
needs
Who's
to
enabling them? Who's enabling them?
imbomira ndakupa timing one. Those that wanyatsotaura kuti the system. And we know the system is corrupt. We have to bring awareness to all of this. The system is corrupt. They're in bed with the Chinese. They're just one entity, irrespective of the Chinese won't actually stop coming to Zimbabwe. The Chinese have got a role and a responsibility to make sure that our people are not just displaced like that, as much as they don't want that to happen in China. We need them to take responsibility of their actions, which they're actually doing in our country. So we can't apologize to that. Even if they don't stop coming. At one time or the other, the people we implode or whatever is going to happen. It will happen. But that awareness is required even to be brought to the international platforms, because we don't have, our environment is being killed. Our heritage sites are under threat.
And Fabishka, I did not dispute any of anything what you
Ah,
said.
you know the point I'm
nditori newe
No,
papo
I'm not crashing
ndikuwirirana newe.
you.
Ini chandingoreva ndechoti iwewe ukada focus, okay, you can focus. Chandutaura ndichandati the struggle is on multiple fronts. Iwe uchifocus iwe kana wafunga kuti Chinese are your worst enemy ka. All right, so sorry Fabish. Sorry Fabish.
It's okay, because that you seem like you don't
So ndinongotaura kuti iwewe kana Chinese are your worst enemy. You face them. Isusu inini ndoenda nemwe front ka ndono confront the government direct. Iwewe uchicontrol ma-Chinese direct. Ndandati it's on multiple fronts.
Saka iwewe uno confront the government, unongo chino confront ani, help me understand there.
Thank you. Good question, Uncle Zama. Good questions. And Farah a presentation panel. And and Akataura, in from my assessment, from what he said, was like the Chinese are causing a lot of destruction, but they are being protected. So it's either let's force the Chinese out, which is fine. I am saying let's focus on those who are protecting them, because once you strip them from the protection, they're exposed. Anyone, even a road, China, because havana protection yacho. I'm focusing, let's put in our efforts on those who are protecting them, whether legally or never. Whereas tikapedza hasha dzedu kuma-Chinese vachangoprotectwa nema-powers atori pamusoro achangotitswata anyway. Vatiriudza kutoti iwewo ndiwapinda mujeri. Muchina ari kutobuda ari kudzokera kundotonomaina pamba pako. Ndizvo zvandiri kureva, if you get my point. Ndiri kungotaura kuti but if you feel like your logic tells you kuti let's confront the Chinese, you can go and do that. I'll support you still. Fabish afunza kuti pamwe I'm against him. Nduti iwe in any direction, I would rather put my investment in effort, invest my efforts kunofighta vacho vari kuprotecta ma-China, which is vanhu vedu ndo vatori mambara. Ndo zvandiri kureva chete. Anyway, you get it. If you don't, then but we are in the same WhatsApp group. And this kuti because ndiri kunofighta uyu, you don't go and fight battle yako. You know, it's a war. Battles are fought on different fronts. Do you know what I mean? Indiri kuenda kunokata supply chain. Iwo uri kuenda straight to battlefield kuti takutonoita kunoccupy. That's all I'm saying.
Right, okay. Zvakanaka zvamuri kutaura. right. Right, mirechon. Pano mwa munhu ada